It's a cold day in Michigan. What are we doing today?
We're gonna go play with airplanes, cause why not?
Yeah.
Is there anything better to do?
No, it's cold though. Every time I get on one of these blogs lately, I talk about how it's cold. It's cold in Michigan.
Yeah. No, it's always cold in Michigan. Don't move here. It's nice to visit in the summer for like a week.
So I think the plan is for Riddle to take the Stinson up to Ray? We're going to Ray.
Yeah, we're gonna head to Ray.
You guys will notice I never know where I'm going. I never know what I'm doing. But it always works out in the end. It's pretty amazing.
That's right.
So I'm going to take the Cessna up. He's going to take the Stinson. Maybe we'll land and swap, and I'll take the Stinson back, and he'll take the Cessna back, or something. And maybe we'll go up and see if the ice at on Lake St. Clair looks good. You up?
Yep, I'm up.
I'm in the air.
Alright, I'm not exactly sure how much go-go juice this thing has in it. It looked like 20. I'm showing about a little under half tanks on both sides right now, so I probably got about an hour that I feel safe, hour and a half. Okay. We can always stop at Ray and get some gas. I've got a gas card there that I can use.
Alright, sounds good. I'm following those power lines that are just north of Ray, eastbound to 94, and then I'll kind of cut the corner over towards the bay.
Alright. Alright, you see the point on the far side of the racetrack?
Yep.
I'm coming up to that point right now. Right here off the point, there's a lot of water too, isn't there?
Yeah. You see right at the end of the strip there's quite a bit of cracking. There's that one long one. It looks pretty deep.
Hey, so you're making left traffic for 9?
Yeah, I just continued upwind and just staying east of the area now, waiting to get visual on you.
Alright, I'm going to come down and look at 9 myself. There were some guys down that direction, right?
Yeah, there was one sitting at the far end at 9.
I got him.
Alright, I'm on downwind for 9 now.
Alright, I'm kind of on final here. Yeah, I'm not sure I like it. I'd want to go down and look at it, I guess. These guys on the sleds they're racing the sleds right now, too.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah, that crack does look big, doesn't it? Pressure ridge out there. You wouldn't want to go long. I'm sure that would flip you.
I mentioned it was cold. Alright, so here we are at Ray. Got gas in the airplane. Riddle's doing takeoff and landings. I'm not sure if he's going to try the grass or not. I'd try the grass right now. It looks pretty good. The ice looked horrible. We had snowmobilers on it, so we couldn't even get low. There were some pressure ridges on the backside of the plowed strip down there, so I'm not sure if it would even be usable. So we came here to play instead. We're going to go take off again and play a little longer.
I am feeling current. I didn't forget.
It looked good. So are you going to swap planes, or do you want to take this one back?
No, we can swap planes.
You going to let me fly the real airplane now?
Yeah, you know.
Or at least the fun one?
I haven't logged any Cessna time since July, so, you know, it'll be good.
All right. right, so we're done. The Stinson's put away. I assume the Cessna's put away, and it's time to go out and have some dinner with the girls. Airplane, wives. It's a good night.